All right. So today, uh, we went on tilt a little bit today. We are down right about three times our average daily gains. So we're just going to go over some of these trades here. Super choppy market. Small caps are definitely seeing a change. All right. And it looks like the bears are looking to be in control here. So we're going to go over these trades. We're going to game plan for the coming few couple days to weeks until we get some more bullish action going on in these small caps. And that's just what it is, man. Today, though I'm not down a lot, I'm still down right about three times what I've been gaining every day. So I'm down about $10, which is going to be right around my max loss on the day. I probably should be closer to $8 on max loss on the day, but it is what it is. And it's funny because I watched Ross's recap yesterday, and he was down quite a bit yesterday, and it seems like that kind of triggered some of us small cap guys to be a little cautious and stuff, be a little gun shy. And we got a lot of pushes and drops into resistance levels, big spikes into highs, and then just sort of drops. So I mean, it is what it is. So what that tells me is that I got to size down. That's gonna be my game plan. Is gonna be to size down for the next foreseeable future until we get some more heat in these small caps. And I might even start kind of looking around for other things to trade, something that's, some more larger cap stocks, maybe. Because we gotta get down here, sit here every day, and we gotta try to make the best out of it. So that's gonna be the plan. I have my trades up here for today. Let's start with the first ones today. I didn't gain any ground today, right? So I sat down here a little late today, right after 9 o'clock, 9:12. I started, instead of easing my way in, I started just kind of going in with regular share size, and just couldn't get anything to stick today. Couldn't get anything to stick. So the first trade was 9:12. We got in 188, stopped out 185. That's not a bad stop. Then we try to get back in, and this is on NXL, and NXL is the one that fleeced me the most today. NXL got me for a little over $8 today. Got back in 87 and 95. Had to stop out 85, 82, all on NXL. Um, got back in 90. Took a really bad loss here. Had to stop out down 10 cents, 11 cents at 78. Then I tried to switch gears to PLRZ. So we'll pull up the NXL chart because it's still kind of looking a little weird right now. So this is the NXL chart. All right. So let's see if we can get the 1 minute going here on the day. So we got let's do 1 minute daily, right? Yeah, so this thing kind of didn't want to break over this $2 level and rode this 175. And this is partially my mistake because I didn't check the dilution on it, which I haven't been doing recently because the market's been kind of hot. So I've just been kind of winging it. So let me pull up dilution tracker and show you something here, which may have or may not have saved me if I was paying attention to it. So as you see, we got NXL here. Company has cash, but we have offerings, right? And final pricing 175. Look at that, 175 warrants 415, right? So if we look at where this level is and where it kind of rode the level all morning, right around this 175, right here, right there is where we kind of had our issues with. And then we kind of just couldn't get over this level here. All right. So this is a well-defined area here. That 175 seems to be some type of floor. If I was to guess, this was sort of a trap to build liquidity to sell into off of this level to build liquidity for whoever's insiders or whoever's holding those shares at 175 to have the ability to sell. It looks like they were selling into the pops. That's my guess. Um, just a little simple check here would have helped me identify that earlier. I didn't identify it until this last trade, and even then I took another trade after that. You'll see that. So that was great. Um, right. So then I switched to PLRZ. All right, let's pull that up. And another just bad trade. What we got here? 1 day, 1 minute intervals. Just another bad trade here. Where the hell is it at? Oh, we're up so high here. Hold up. This thing kind of spiked. This thing kind of spiked in this area here, and I was just trying to catch it on the way up. Um, just a bad trade. Just not reading the tea leaves, the writing on the wall. So with this one, I got in 125. Had to stop out 5 cents down from there. Try to get back in 125, 126 or 127 ish. Had to stop out 126. Then I moved on from there into BURU, which I've traded in the past, but um, it wasn't a sub dollar stock at the time I traded it. Now it's a sub dollar stock. I got into BURU, just kind of FOMOed into it, just kind of frustrated, just looking to try to make anything back, have, just to get a win out of the day. I got into that puppy as it was pushing up. It was already super high in the move. It was into 80, 85. I got in 85 cents. I got in super high, pretty much at the top. I got in at the top, right? Had to get back out 4 pennies later. Was in 50 shares. Is what it is. Took a small loss there. Down $2 on that one. Let's see here. And then finished it off with some more kick in the teeth. FOMO trading in the NXL. Right. Got in 189, 183, 181. Had to stop out 10 cents later. So is what it is. It's one of those days. So, but what this tells me is that the market is changing a bit, right? So yeah, this tells me that the market is shifting and that I have to adapt to the market shifting. So I'm going to have to size down. I have a post-it note already on my computer, my main screen here, that tells me to size down for the rest of the week. And that's what I'm going to be doing. That's what I got to do. So I'm going to be super cautious, low share size until we get some more heat into the market. I mean, this market's been a beautiful bull market, and everything has to change eventually. What goes up has to come down. So we'll just wait, sit it out, try to be as cautious as possible, trade only the best setups if possible, and we'll stick around till there's another bull market. And it's funny because after watching Ross's video yesterday, I just thought maybe he made a mistake, but the man was right. Something's changing here. Okay. So that's all I got for today. I'm gonna get up out of here. I got stuff I got to do, and I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, won't lose any money tomorrow. Hopefully, follow my game plan. Try to follow my game plan at least. So I'll check you out tomorrow. Trader Blade signing out. Good day, good trading. Peace.